Welcome to this demonstration on how wealth management firms can use MSCI's factor-based similarity score to quickly and easily create a customized portfolio solution while adhering to a client's unique investment needs and preferences inside MSCI Wealth Manager. Client expectations are evolving, driving increased demand for personalization inside their investment portfolios. MSCI Wealth Manager provides firms with the capability to enable them to meet this demand. We are starting with an existing client portfolio. This client already has a model portfolio assigned from the wealth management firm, which is being used as a benchmark. This is the firm's recommended model portfolio for this specific client based on their goals and preferences. As we compare the client portfolio to the model portfolio, we notice the model portfolio contains exposure to alternatives and real estate, which are asset classes that are not in the client's current holdings. We can compare the two portfolios across a variety of metrics, some of which are presented at the top. Reviewing the asset allocation data table allows us to obtain greater insight on the differences between the model and client portfolios and see the individual holdings of both. In choosing the model portfolio to act as the benchmark to compare the current holdings against, we see today there is a tracking error against the model portfolio of 6.0%. Next, let's look at Wealth Manager's proprietary similarity score. The similarity score provides a unique value that is calculated using MSCI's factor-based framework and evaluates the true source of risk and return between portfolios. Currently, the client's portfolio has a score of 64%, which is not ideal and shows misalignment. As we begin formulating a recommendation to rebalance the client's portfolio to better match the model portfolio, there are personal preferences that this client has that we need to take into consideration. For example, we will want to stay within the prescribed investment policy statement bounds. Equity and fixed income ranges are listed below. They would also like to sell any exposure to tobacco and to hold on to their energy infrastructure investments. MSCI Wealth Manager also allows for the client or firm to specify individual securities that the client might not want to sell. Here we are adding a constraint on the fly to help avoid the purchase of any mortgage-backed securities or asset-backed securities. Here is the list of the client's individual constraints that we can overlay on top of the investment policy statement bounds, in addition to the firm's bounds and opinions of the marketplace. With all the constraints outlined, both individual and firm-based, a user can simply select the Run Rebalance button and get a new third rebalanced portfolio that incorporates all those individual preferences while bringing the client's current portfolio closer in line with the target model portfolio. After we run the optimization, we can see we have successfully brought the new proposed portfolio in line, improving the tracking error and similarity score while still adhering to our client's unique needs. Whether it is optimizing to individual preferences or other wealth management needs, MSCI Wealth Manager helps investment teams and advisors streamline their portfolio management workflows at scale. Learn more at msci.com/wealthmanager